Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3130. Find all possible stable binary arrays 2. This is a really hard one, especially if you haven't seen my video for part 1 yet. The only difference with part 1 is that these three variables 0, 1 and limit can be anything in between 1 and 1000. And remember that our solution for part 1 requires big O of the amount of zeros times the amount of ones time complexity. So we can use the exact same solution for this problem because the amount of zeros can be up to 1000, the amount of ones can be up to 1000 also, and this square is a relatively small number. We can handle this, so our solution for part 1 will also work here. That's it for this video. Now you can go to my video for part 1. It's in my channel and I will leave the link in the description. So please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in part 1.